Before joining Amazon Brand Registry, the first and most essential step is registering your trademark. This trademark acts as the legal foundation of your brand and proves ownership in Amazon's system. You can register your trademark directly through USPTO.gov by following their official process. During the filing, you will need to specify your brand name and choose how you wish to protect it. You can register a standard word mark, which protects the text of your brand name, or a design mark, which protects your logo. It is strongly recommended to file both together, as this ensures complete legal coverage and prevents the need for changes later. The review process for a trademark typically takes 6 to 8 months, though it can take longer due to USPTO backlogs. The filing fee begins at approximately $350 per class for the standard application. Since a word mark and a logo mark count as separate filings, each has its own fee. Many sellers use professional assistants to avoid mistakes and ensure the process runs smoothly. Amazon's IP Accelerator program connects sellers with vetted intellectual property law firms. You can also use other professional platforms such as Fiverr or LegalZoom, where support typically ranges between $400 and $800 in addition to the government fees. Once your trademark application is submitted, you will receive a trademark application number. This number allows you to proceed with Amazon Brand Registry immediately, even before full approval. This update is a major advantage because sellers can now access Brand Registry benefits as soon as their trademark application is filed through an approved intellectual property office.